Hello, welcome to our channel. In today's episode, we'll answer the question of whether it's worth using a heat buffer in a heat pump system. Stay tuned. Oscar, at the beginning, tell us what a heat buffer is.
A heat buffer is a well-insulated tank used for storing excess thermal energy for the needs of the central heating system.
Tell me what role a heat buffer plays in an installation with a heat pump.
The heat buffer provides an adequate amount of water in the system, allowing the heat pump to operate stably. Additionally, it functions as a hydraulic coupling for mixed heating circuits. By ensuring stability, it reduces the number of compressor starts, thus ensuring a longer lifespan for the heat pump. It also serves as an energy storage for defrosting needs.
How to choose the size of the buffer for Termet Hit Platinum and Gold heat pumps?
The capacity of the buffer is selected based on the heating power of the heat pump. Initially, it can be assumed to be 10 liters per kilowatt of heating power. The suggested buffer size is in the user manual, but it's advisable for a professional to select a buffer that will suit the installation.
Many installers claim that using a buffer is not necessary. Is that true?
Systems without a buffer operate suboptimally. The heat pump switches on more frequently, which shortens its lifespan. Furthermore, the defrosting process cools the water temperature in the installation, causing discomfort for users. Therefore, it is better to use a buffer in installations.
Don't forget to watch other videos available on our channel. And if you liked today's episode, give us a thumbs up. See you!